Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save the game in Expedition 33. Now when you're playing the game, when you press escape, there's no option to save the game at all. And when you press tab to check on your team, there is no option to save the game either. But there is a way to save it some other way. If you're in the world map, going into camp and interacting with an expedition flag will force a save. If it's not working for you, then go and press rest. And when you move away from the expedition flag, it'll also start the save. There's another way to force an autosave as well. And that's by changing the weapons of anyone in the expedition. Just change the weapon and then exit from the party selection. And there should be an autosave right after. And that's how to save the game in Expedition 33.